Hey morning glories, and so I wanted to show y'all my gardening haul in preparation for this weekend's work. I want to go ahead and say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. And this is definitely going to be an amazing weekend. It's Juneteenth weekend as well. And so I kind of plan on, like I said, kind of getting out into the yard early in the morning, like around 6:30, 7 o'clock, right when the sun rises. And I'm going to get a lot of stuff done. And so let me go ahead and show y'all what I purchased. And so that's Coney in the background. But anyway, I got some tiki torches, and I got this stuff from Ollies. And I like these because they're already ready to go in reference to like the color. I love the colors in these. And so these were $3.99. So you really can't beat that because I really, like I have two outside from Walmart and they're $2.88, but I really want to paint them. And so I'm like, you know what? This already comes with the color combination that I have going outside. So for $1 more, why not? So I got three tiki torches. And then also at Ollie's, they have a sturdy vine support little package. And so this was just 99 cents, and it just kind of helps with your vines, like any kind of vines that you kind of want to position in a different way. You can use this. I've already started. I did get an extension cord because I plan on doing my hedges this weekend as well, and so I needed another extension cord. I do plan on dropping some more seeds, and so I got these seeds several weeks ago. So I do plan on putting some seeds in pots. And then I got some turf. I have a really ugly area. Y'all have seen it, and I really want to put grass seed down or sod, but I just don't feel like doing that this year. So I went ahead and looked on YouTube, and I think I can DIY that little sore spot area out there. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot tomorrow and get some stakes. So, you know, when I hammer it down, at least it will stay down for a couple of seasons or so, hopefully. And then I got two things. Actually, so the turf was $20. And again, the torches were $3.99. The cord was $99, actually $9.99. The seeds, 50 cents each. And then I got two sets of fencing. And so I have an idea for this. And this was $16.99 at Ross. So I got two packages of those. And so y'all know I'm just trying to do little bits and pieces here and there with my backyard oasis. And so yeah, I just wanted to show y'all a little haul, something a little different. But as you see, it's almost nighttime, dusk. It's so beautiful. But honey, it's even better on the inside. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Check me out. Let's go ahead and keep this going, this momentum going. I'm loving this new segment. How does your garden grow? And yes, I do have my coffee here in one of my favorite coffee mugs. And it said, God so loved the world. And this is from John 3:16. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and let you go. I love you, but God loves you so much more. Remember that pretty is as pretty does. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.